Curtis here for Revive Medical Spa. Let's talk retinol. So Retin-A is a treatment that can be used that will help improve fine lines. It does an excellent job. The retinol we carry in 3 different strengths. This is a higher strength, 1.0. And how you'll use this is you'll cleanse your face. Before you go to bed is a great time to put your retinol on. You can apply a thin layer all over your face. Now you have to work your way up because it will be a little red and irritating at first. So you want to use it once a week or twice a week, and then as your tissue gets used to it, you can increase the number of times a week you use it. And or you can start with a lower dose. This is 1.0. You might start with 0.5% and then work your way up to 1.0. Really helps to keep your tissue healthy. I think everyone should use a retinol daily. Thanks. By the way, the products we recommend can be purchased in our free app. The Skin Medica and Elastin products will receive 20% savings. So select the link in the description to sign up and get your savings. And also, I need your help. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and share if you can. Thank you so much.